This is our stock number U1300L. It's an ex-military U1300L which we supplied back in 2011 to the current owner. We're selling on the owner's behalf. As you can see, it's got a three-way tipping wood chip body fitted, approximately 12 cubic meters. The cab remains in really good condition. Very little rust on the cab at all, and the chassis is also clean. Fair bit of rust on the body, that will definitely need some repair in the not too distant future, but it's all there. Heavy duty lower tow hitch with a 50mm ball, as well as a NATO hitch and trailer air braking. A pair of hydraulic connections there for tipping trailer or whatever else you want to use. Seats have seen better days, and there's a bit of rust in the round turret there, but otherwise the cab is in really good shape. So there we are, really good value, three-way tipping long wheelbase Unimog.